Well, hey y'all, and welcome back to Kelly's Closet. In today's video, I'm starting a series I'm calling Mini Kitchen Renovation. Mini because we aren't doing a complete reno where we tear out everything and start from scratch. But I did want to freshen things up a little, and here's where we'll start. Here's what we're working with, folks. This little cabinet has definitely seen better days. She's a bit withered and worn, but is standing the test of time. She's been moved across town, banged up and scratched, but her long-needed facelift takes her from Cindy scrubbing the floors to Cinderella at the ball. I'm going to spray paint these gold metal desk trays I got from Dollar Tree and fashion to the side of the cabinet as a holder for aluminum foil, wax paper, stuff like that. Mr. Rooster's colors won't really match after I redo the cabinet, so he gets a facelift as well. I was a little apprehensive to start this project because it's one of those that it's either going to work or it's going to fail miserably. And if it failed, I had no backup or plan B. So let me walk you through his makeover. Basically, I painted his body white and his tail black, and then used the black to very lightly highlight here and there to give him some depth. He was looking kind of flat. This black and white vinegar jar I happened upon at TJ Maxx on clearance for $1, and it just so happened that it matched my decor for this cabinet. What I find. around the top and the bottom. Well, that's it for the first video of the mini kitchen renovation. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, please remember to like and subscribe. If you're one of my regular subscribers, thank you so much for watching today. And remember what I always say, be kind, be blessed, but most of all, be crafty. See you next week.